हेलो गाइस, दिस इज योर ऑर्निथोफोबिक गाय हियर और आज हम लोग राह चलती लड़कियों की मॉरल पुलिसिंग करने वाले हैं। नहीं, हम लोग ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करने वाले हैं। तो मैं एज यूजुअल यूट्यूब सर्फ कर रहा था एंड आई सॉ दिस गाय, दिस क्यूट लुकिंग गाय, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हैज अ मेल कैरन इनसाइड हिम। द पड़ोस वाली आंटी वी ऑल हेट. So here's a video by Brute. It says moral policing caught on camera. Let me give you guys a little background of the story. So this girl right here, ये कहीं जा रही थी, but suddenly out of nowhere, this man showed up and started yelling at her for not wearing Indian clothes. Irony being, अंकल ने खुद शर्ट पैंट डाल रखा है, which is itself not an Indian attire. Let's watch it. Let's watch it.
नहीं पहन सकती है, ये कपड़ा नहीं पहन सकती है।
नहीं,
आप पढ़े लिखे हो
सर। आई एम एजुकेटेड, आई एम द
यू आर इलिटरेट।
I like the fact how he's arguing with the guy in English just to prove his points. भाई दोनों को हिंदी आती है तो फिर करो ना हिंदी में बात, या फिर हो सकता है इन्हें लगता है इंग्लिश इज इक्वल्स टू स्मार्ट.
You are illiterate. Because of you, India is getting down. You people are keeping. I am voting India.
ये दोनों के लिए एप्लीकेबल था.
I am voting India. I've got the right to vote in
India, sir.
You are not an Indian. You are a dumbass person who doesn't even belong. I'll tell you what you are. You are not even educated. Where do you get educated from?
Brother, I am education.
So you stop your
Did he just said he's education?
stop your bike and tell a lady she can't wear these clothes. You are going to decide what she can wear.
Yeah, obviously. जिनके घर खुद शीशे के होते हैं वो दूसरों के घरों पर पत्थर नहीं मारते अंकल. और ये कमाल हिपोक्रेसी है. मतलब आप शॉर्ट्स पहनो तो इंडियन, लड़की शॉर्ट्स पहने तो she's a slut.
Brother, you can.
Where do you walk? Where do you walk?
Brother, I am telling you can do anything.
Where do you walk?
You can do anything. I am telling.
I'm
brother.
asking you.
Brother, I am humbly
Tell me,
requesting.
tell me.
Humbly, I am requesting. Please provide the Indian.
Guys, he's humbly requesting. Please provide Indian.
Bring
So Indian, so you are going to decide what she's going to wear.
Indian should be. Indian should be.
What went wrong? I want to know what went wrong.
Please wear the proper dress code of Indian.
So
Wait, what? इंडिया का खुद का ड्रेस कोड है?
this is an improper dress code that she's wearing.
Yes, I am
So-
absolutely tell.
Wow, you are absolutely tell and I absolutely listen. Shakespeare must be crying.
Tell. Please walk properly dress code for Indians.
Are
Save
you
the
mentally
Indian.
wrong?
No, I am not mentally
You
wrong.
get treated.
I am.
Is
scared
there
to
any
cry.
female person in your house?
No, I
Lady,
am
can I ask you
female.
something, please?
Please cooperate the Indian rules and regulations. I am begging.
Gosh, this guy is high.
Who made this regulation? Your dad? Because I know what regulation my constitution gives me.
Please
Do you
follow
know
the
what
rules,
the Indian
sir.
constitution gives? A freedom of choice, a freedom to wear
No,
anything.
freedom is there, sir.
There is no Hindu in your constitution. There
No
are several.
Hindu.
There is
No, sir.
nothing
I'm
Hindu
not-
in your
I'm
constitution.
talking-
Know
I'm
your
not talking about
constitution.
the Hindu and Hindu
Just
in
know
mistake.
your constitution, you idiot.
Sir, I'm
First
not
of all,
talking
get
about
your
Hindi.
bike and know your constitution. Then talk to me.
Sir, please, I am requesting.
Do you know even who formed the constitution? Do you know who B.R. Ambedkar is? Do you know even who B.R. Ambedkar is? Does your dad even know who B.R. Ambedkar is? You don't know anything about your
Please,
constitution.
sir, I am begging. Please, Indian,
You're
follow
no,
the
don't,
rules.
this thing doesn't solve.
Sir, I'm not
Your
telling.
hand emotion doesn't solve. You stopped a lady on a bike
I'm
and you
not
tell.
I am telling that humbly requesting. Please follow the Indian rules.
There
sir.
is no
I am
Indian
telling
rules.
that Please follow the Indian rules.
What is this problem?
This is what she.
Look at here. Can you remove this
Do
bike?
you even understand
Can you
what has
remove this
happened?
bike?
It's his bike.
ओ भाई साहब, इंडिया सही में टॉप पे होगा when these people start minding their own business. और इस वीडियो का कमेंट सेक्शन, ओ बॉय, like the most sensible and juicy comment section on the internet. Let me read some comments for you. If this is what education looks like, I'm better without it. Why is everyone hating on him? Dude just wanted to let them know he was education. Damn funny. Guy, from where are you educated? White shirt guy, I am education. Please provide the Indian. I am absolutely tell. He got some drip. Kid, mom, I want to get education. Mom, we have education at home. While education at home.
I am education.
He seems like a man who comes in every colony to sell encyclopedia, and I think that day also no one bought his books. Man most probably works in a scam call center and tells his relative that he works for an MNC. Maybe true. Oh my god, please don't scold him. He got escaped from a mental hospital. That was funny. Dress code of India. He's a PT teacher in a school definitely. He was just testing his English skill way back to home from Shishupal English Coaching Center. According to him and many others, Definitely this one's right. According to him and many others, boys wearing pants and shirt, this is Indian dress. Girls wearing pants and shirt, this is not Indian dress. When education is speaking itself.
Wear the proper dress code of Indian.
So he himself is wearing a western attire with a Chinese phone in his pocket and ask other to follow Indian rules which doesn't even exist. He needs help. He definitely needs help. This is the kind of guy that calls you to offer fake jobs by giving enrollment money. Oh God. Someone send him to North Korea as soon as possible. He will love the national dress code, hairstyle, etc. That was funny. This dude yells at woman minding her own business. Also, this dude when confronted by a man. Please sir, I'm begging. Wait. First he tried to bully the lady, and when the right guy started charging him, then he pissed in his pants and started requesting with folded hands. No, I'm not gonna take this. His name is Indiana Kumar. He works at Indian Coffee House, a true Indian. A simple question like are you wearing Indian would shut him up in a sec. But then again, his education, so I understand. Yes sir, what would you like to have? The random guy. Sir, please give Indian. This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Okay. Wait, let me just correct it. Okay. This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you also follow Indian dress code, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, bye bye.
Brother, I am education.